Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I've got a really easy yet super delicious recipe for a T-bone steak on the cast iron. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is get our steak ready. I've got the cast iron skillet preheated on a medium heat, maybe a little bit more. But let's go ahead and get some olive oil on here. And we want to coat both sides. Next, we're going to go ahead and season it, and these are actually some basic seasonings, but I'm telling you, this blend seems to really work good. Got some black pepper, got some salt, got some cayenne pepper. That, I'll tell you what, this really kind of, you don't want to put too much, but just the right amount gives it a nice, unique flavor. And of course, some garlic powder. Press it in, and then we're going to flip it over and we're going to repeat on the other side. So here we have our cast iron pan. It's been preheated for about 10 minutes. Let's throw some butter in there. Get it swirled around. Now we're going to throw our steak on. Now this steak is probably a little bit less than an inch thick, and I'm going for a medium. So we're going to go ahead and cover it and come back in about 3 minutes. So here we are, 3 minutes later. Let's go ahead and flip it over. And I'll be honest with you, this steak is cooking pretty quick, and we're covering it really makes a difference. So I'm thinking we should only need about 2.5 more minutes on this. And there you have it. Our T-bone is done. The best part, the taste test. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, exactly how I wanted it. You gotta give this one a try. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching, and have a good one.